Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So this video will be a guide on how to use Asana effectively for project management. If you ever find yourself constantly jotting down tasks and to-dos but feeling scattered trying to keep track of everything, or if your notebook or list of tasks seem overwhelming and unclear, then implementing a project management tool like Asana can help transform the way you work. And to get started, we first need to gather a complete list of all of your recurring daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. This includes anything like writing your weekly blog post, filming and editing online course content, if you want social media scheduling and engagement, and so on. Also, don't forget to include one-off tasks that are related to specific projects that you're currently working on. And the key is compiling every single to-do item so nothing falls through the cracks. Now that we're ready to create our first Asana project, this will be the structure to manage and organize the related tasks that we just defined. And to have an example of building a social media marketing calendar, we want to create a new project titled Social Media Content Calendar. You need to set the timeline to recurring if it repeats continuously. You can easily define start and end dates covering your initial planning period. Set up sections for platforms, content types, monthly themes, and all of that. You can also create tasks for brainstorming, creation, scheduling, analytics, and set due date for weekly and monthly tasks. Within Asana, you can always assign tasks to the appropriate team members specifically. This enables you to set up projects with flexible views, list, board, calendar, and whatever works best for your planning process. Think through what's needed to successfully execute your project and then structure it in Asana to fit your style. One common mistake I always see with task management tools such as Asana is going overboard assigning tasks until you feel overwhelmed. This defeats the whole process, and we're back to the overwhelming notebook that we just had, except it's digital now. So instead, define a reasonable workload for each day focused on your most important projects and goals. So for instance, you can limit your daily assigned tasks to 3 to 5 per day and focus only on truly high priority items, and schedule the tasks based on energy levels throughout the day. Stick to what you can realistically accomplish without burnout. You can always add more tasks once your system is running smoothly, and quality over quantity here for steady progress. When designing what to work on each day, prioritize tasks directly supporting your most important growth metrics. So for example, if you're a social media manager focused on audience growth, this may include activities such as growing your email list, going live on new platforms, or outreach for collaborations, and optimizing follower targeting. As an entrepreneur, your revenue-driving tasks could include creating a new product, bringing on inventory, launching promotions, and so on. So define the 1 to 3 highest impact tasks for growth daily and focus here before general maintenance to-dos. Recurring tasks and checklists are a secret weapon for maintaining the momentum. Build templates for processes that you repeat frequently if you post on social media daily, or weekly team meetings and monthly analytics reporting. This saves you setup time while ensuring consistency. Checklists also standardize the repetitive steps. If there is any video editing checklist or new client onboarding, product launch sequences, you name it. So leverage the checklists to ensure that you nail important details and nothing goes missing. One of the main core features of Asana is for businesses and teams. It enables you for easy collaboration through collective workspaces. Some handy features include team calendars viewing everyone's tasks and projects. You can have conversations on tasks for questions, feedback, and approvals all within the platform, so you don't get drowned in a ton of emails basically on the same thing, as you can discuss each task specifically within the comment section or adding a note, and you can mention the team members directly to reach them out and then have a conversation on the task specifically. You can also assign tasks and spread out the responsibilities, and file storage attached directly to projects. So with Asana Workspaces, you get organized team coordination crossed with ease of use, so team members always understand the objectives, priorities, and the next steps. This removes any friction or confusion and duplication of efforts that waste time. Smooth execution pays off big time. And beyond the core functionality, Asana offers power-ups to further enhance your workflow. You can get the Calendar power-up, which is a two-way syncing with Google Calendar if you need that. Forms power-up, which create forms that auto-populate Asana tasks. And Story power-up, which enables mapping user journeys and processes. Asana integrates with 100+ popular apps to build a flexible productivity system. Take your time to view some of them out and see which one best suits your team or projects. Project management tools like Asana are anywhere tools which are adaptable to nearly any role or use case. Marketing teams can plan campaigns and track results, HR can onboard new employees seamlessly, support can smooth workflows managing client issues, and the list keeps going on and on. So the key here is structuring your projects, goals, and workflows in Asana to align with your daily realities. So let it work for you, don't overwhelm your own workspace and have it go the other way around. Implementing a flexible system tailored to your needs is the key to success. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know in the comment section if you have any questions on Asana or if you want us to cover more topics on Asana in different videos. If you found this kind of introduction helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up contents that we make similar to this one.